This is بعجين بالزيت, one of the many ways we make delicious meat pies. We're going to start by making our dough. We're going to add flour, sugar, salt, and then yeast. Then you're going to mix your dry ingredients and add your warm milk. Keep mixing your dough for about 8 minutes until you have an elastic dough, and then allow it to rest on the side for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into smaller bowl pieces, and then in a bowl on the side you're going to add half olive oil and half neutral oil like an avocado oil. I stretch each small ball into a round disc. This is going to really help you when you're going to stretch the dough with the oils. And then you allow each disc to rest on the side for at least 10 minutes until you finish all of them. You grease your countertop with oil. And then I start stretching the dough. So this is a little bit tricky. You're going to have to gently stretch it and try not to break the dough. So it's very important to stretch the sides because the middle part will stretch a lot, but the sides will still be doughy. With your fingertips, continue to gently stretch the sides and then add more oil on the middle and spread it evenly across the dough. Then you are going to shape the dough into a long rectangular shape and add more oil. This is why it's called oil dough. For this trial recipe, I made my meat filling beforehand, but you can basically put any type of filling that you want: cheese, spinach, vegetables. You're going to continue to roll the dough like in the video, and you're going to add as much oil as you can in between each layer. Then you're going to transfer each pie that you make into a pan. Now you're going to bake your meat pies. The details will be on the blog. And now listen to that crunch. Now please subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.